Today we're going to be making a dessert item. As you know, you got to start off by washing your hands. Wash them thoroughly. And there's a little rascal down there fighting over a bone. Nice and dry. Just leave the garbage back there for the wife to clean up. So what we need, you're gonna need some gloves eventually. I'm not gonna put on what my hands are wet. Powdered sugar, well, about that much, but that's more than you need, so whatever that is. You got a can of sweetened condensed milk. This was the cheapest can I found. So we got that. Some baking powder and graham crackers. So first thing you want to do is get a bowl, spoon thing. You'll find out with the gloves part a little bit. Open up your sweetened condensed milk. Make a big mess and just get that in there. Nice and thick. So you know it's going to be a good candy when it starts out with really thick, gooey stuff. That's good enough. And you add your baking powder or hot cocoa or coconuts. There's one, just regular soup spoons, 2, 3. See, soup spoon. Yeah. So we'll do 3, and then we'll just pull a little bit more out, just to add to there. Perfectly measured. And we'll get the rest of the. And we'll just stir this up. And mix it in there really good. Keep stirring away. Get it all mixed up. So as you see, everything's carefully measured. That's how we like doing things here. I suppose you could use a spatula instead of a whisk. Probably be easier. You can just fold it all together instead of stirring it. And then we'll take some of the graham crackers. You know, you want to get the nice name brand expensive stuff like I do. I don't think we'll need the whole bag, but we'll just, don't know how much we'll need, just whatever you feel like. Kind of edge of the bag and start tearing and dump. It's about half of that. Then you just stir it all up. Stir, stir, stir. Look at that. Let's get this out. Now, since my hands are dry, we'll put the gloves on. And I like being hands-on because that's just so much better. Gotta mix this graham cracker crumbs right on in. And to get it to whatever consistency you want. Oh yeah. What?
What is it?
It's dessert.
Oh, what's the name of it?
Oh. It's my dessert. Let's put some more graham cracker crumbs in. There we go, now it's starting to thicken up. I was taking almost a whole bag of graham cracker crumbs. As you can see, this will feed well the family 400. Or one if you're me. Like candy. Okay. It's nice and ooey gooey sticky. Nice big ball. Just one serving. One ball, one serving. Just kidding. There we go. Now we're going to portion these up and you'll find out what the other stuff is for.
What other stuff?
That. Well, so here's what we need to do. You gotta grab just so much off to make a like a giant meatball or chocolate meatball. And you just kind of dip it in there, dip it in there. And that'll make it so it's not so sticky. You just plop it on the plate. Size, it depends on how you want to do it. I'm a fat guy, so I like it really fat. And if you have like grandkids or children, oh, you can mess with them, especially if they have OCD, because you don't have to dip it in there. You can just put one right next to that has been dipped in. You can.
Like, how? These things are huge.
Well, they don't have to be that big. I mean, you can make them as big as you want.
What?
Here, we'll make a smaller one.
Wasn't it supposed to be dessert for everybody?
There's enough here for everyone.
Maybe somebody wants more than one.
Well, you can have the smaller ones then. We'll have to do this OCD thing right. Just mix them all up. You have to measure. Make sure you measure them carefully because they need to be all the same uniform size. Like
really?
See, after you mix them up for a while, you get enough powdered sugar in your hand. You can just sit there, plop it around, and it goes out on the counter just fine. It gets on your shirt, no problem. If you have dogs, they'll lick it off. How interested she is. Plop. So you know when it's one plate, it's also one serving. Everything's one serving. If you're diabetic, this Probably might not be the best idea for you, but it sure does taste good. And you can add things. Oh, drop that one. Watch this. Plop. It's like the antacid of the dessert. Plop, plop, fizz, fizz. And you can add nuts to it if you want. You can put more powdered sugar, less powdered sugar, more chocolate, however you like. There's no problem about that. Let's try to get it right there. Oh, almost. There we go. That is how you make a nice, easy, homemade dessert. And when you're done, you can sit there and eat it off your hands. Candy. Bye.